Hello, myself Satnam Singh. In this session, we will discuss glass membrane electrode. Potentiometry is a technique of chemical analysis which involves the measurement of potentials or voltages of electrochemical cells. This is an electrochemical cell. This is porous membrane which act like salt bridge. It is one of the method of electroanalytical chemistry, and it is usually employed to find the concentration of solute in solution. Basic components are reference electrode, indicator electrode, and potential measuring device. This is a reference electrode. Then there is a salt bridge, analyte solution in contact with indicator electrode. E cell, which is given by E cathode minus E anode. In this session, we will be discussing indicator electrode. Indicator electrodes are classified according to mechanism by which the electrode potential is produced. Indicator electrodes are metal indicator electrodes or membrane indicator electrodes. Metal indicator electrode develop a potential that is determined by equilibrium position of a redox half reaction at the surface, whereas membrane indicator electrode develop a potential determined by the difference in concentration of a particular ion on two sides of a special membrane. Mode of action in case of metal indicator electrodes is electron transfer, whereas mode of action in case of membrane indicator electrodes is ion selective. Membrane indicator electrode. This diagram shows cross-section of glass membrane. Potential developed due to an unequal charge buildup at these two surfaces of the glass membrane. Membrane indicator electrode is also called as ion selective electrode due to excellent selectivity. Membrane indicator electrodes can be glass membrane electrode, polymer membrane electrode, crystalline membrane electrode, or gas sensing electrode. In this session, we will discuss glass membrane electrode. This is glass membrane pH electrode. Internal element consists of silver in contact with silver chloride, which is a must in solution of pH 7 buffer, or it can be 0.1 molar or 1 molar HCl, and this solution is saturated with silver chloride. Thin ion selective glass membrane is fused at the bottom of non-responsive glass tube so that the entire bulb can be submerged during measurements. When placed in a solution containing H ions, electrode can be represented by the half cell, silver, solid in contact with silver chloride saturated, chloride ions inside, H ions inside, then there is a glass membrane and H ions outside. Potential of this electrode is given by E is equal to E naught, silver chloride, silver, minus 0.0591 log of chloride ion plus 0.0591 log of HIN concentration outside divided by HIN concentration inside. This equation can be rewritten like this. Since concentration of chloride ions and H ions in the internal electrolyte solution are constant, therefore, three terms can be taken equal to Q, and the potential is Q plus 0.0591 log of H ions outside. Composition of glass membrane for proton and sodium ion selectivities. Both glasses consist of SiO2, which is about 70%. In case of H-ion selective glass, that is TH glass electrode, the remaining 30% is a mixture of calcium oxide, barium oxide, lithium oxide, and sodium oxide. Whereas in case of sodium ion selective, the glass 30% composition is aluminum oxide and sodium oxide. Membrane behavior. Glass membrane is an irregular network of tetrahedral SiO4 units connected through shared oxygen atoms. Network contains many negatively charged oxygen atoms which are bind with the positively charged cations. When membrane comes in contact with aqueous solution, the outer layer absorbs considerable amount of water forming hydrated gel-like structure. These inner and outer layers are hydrated gel-like structures of thickness 10 to the power minus 5 to 10 to the power minus 4 mm. These layers act as cation exchange membranes with a high selectivity towards specific cation. In glass pH electrode, this is glass pH electrode, hydrated layer, and it is in contact with H ions. The H ions diffuse from the solution into the hydrated layer and displaces lithium ions from the negative binding sites. It displaces lithium ions from the negative binding sites. Glass in the hydrated layer is considered to be like a weak acid, like membrane, H glass in equilibrium with H ion solution plus glass negative membrane. H ion concentration in solution affects the position of this equilibrium, which in turn determines the number of free negative binding sites. Each side of the glass membrane acquires negative charge, the magnitude of which is determined by the H ion concentration of the solution which is in direct contact with it. Potential difference is due to the last term in the equation. Potential is given by E naught minus 0.0591 log of chloride ion concentration plus 0.0591 log of HIN concentration outside divided by HIN concentration inside. There is another term called asymmetry potential in case of glass membrane electrode. If identical solutions and identical reference electrodes are placed on both sides of the glass membrane, the measured potential difference is expected to be zero. However, a small potential difference, which we call it as asymmetry potential, almost always exists under these conditions. That is identical solutions and identical reference electrodes, which is neither constant with time nor reproducible between electrodes. Asymmetry potential arises as the two surfaces of the membrane are not identical on the microscopic scale, probably due to the surface imperfections and mechanical strains that occur during manufacturing, and can also be due to chemical, mechanical attack and contamination of the outer surface during routine use. Asymmetric potential does not change rapidly. Its effect on the desired measurement can be corrected by periodic calibration of the electrode with standard pH buffer. Now we will try to understand glass pH electrode and combination pH glass electrode. Indicator electrode is a pH electrode, which is a ion selective electrode towards H ions. This is a glass membrane pH electrode where silver wire is coated with silver chloride in contact with H ions. Glass membrane is quite fragile. In order to measure the pH, glass electrode is to be connected with reference electrode. Potential that develops is due to difference in HIN concentration inside and HIN concentration outside, and this potential is called as membrane potential. There is no half-cell reaction involved. Measured potential against the reference electrode is directly proportional to the pH of the solution. These two electrodes, that is glass electrode and reference electrode, can be fused together. This is the glass electrode where we have this bulb, which is proton selective glass membrane. This is silver chloride in contact with chloride ions, and this reference electrode is again silver chloride in contact with KCl. This is the salt bridge. Here ceramic junction is shown as a salt bridge. So this arrangement is what is called as combination pH glass electrode, where we have an internal silver chloride wire in contact with H ions, chloride ions, and outer silver chloride wire in contact with chloride ions. This is pH meter in which combination glass electrode is a must in the solution for measurement of pH. Thanks for watching this video.